what happens in case of object A? What will be the acceleration of object A after cutting the string? Now, just before you cut it, what was the force acting on the spring? The force acting on the spring just before you cut the string, the force acting on the spring will be equals to force on spring. I'm writing it as spring so that you don't get confused between spring or string. Okay, spring here will be equals to, or let me call, instead of string, I'll call it as a rope, right? So moment you cut the rope, just before you cut the rope, what is the force acting on the spring? That will be equals to the total mass, which is equals to 3m plus m. That will be equals to into g, that will be equals to 4mg, right? 4mg is the force, and this force is responsible for the extension of this particular spring, and that is nothing but kx. I hope this is clear, right? This is the force acting on the spring just before you cut the rope, right? Moment you cut the rope, this spring will not realize it instantaneously, right? So moment you cut the rope, this spring will not realize that the rope has been cut or the rope has gone, right? In that case, now what will be the situation? The situation on the block A, let me draw it here, FBD. The force upward is kx,